This switch came in for a screen replacement. Here we actually have a donor switch. It also needs a Joy-Con rail replaced. Let's unscrew everything, open it up, more screws. Now let's take out some of the connectors. Heatsink is out. Now let's take out the rest of the ribbon cables. Fan is out, motherboard is out. Now let's get the donor switch. Now let's do the same thing and take everything out. Here's the bad motherboard. Now let's put in the good one. Now let's put in the new rail. Now let's screw everything back. Now let's put back all the connectors. Fan is in, heatsink back in. Now let's put back the metal shield, more screws. Now time to test it. Switch back to light. Now let's test the screen. Seems like everything works. Mission accomplished.